Hey YouTube, this is John with Tech to Know. Today I'll be unboxing my 2021 iPad Pro 12.9 inch with 512 gigabytes of memory and 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is a cellular version with Verizon. And today I'll be taking you through the unboxing process, show you some cases, as well as the benchmarks for the 8 gigabyte version. This is my 2020 iPad Smart Keyboard Folio that I had for my 2020 iPad Pro 12.9. I ended up sending it back because I was within the return policy. So I sent it back. I was like, let me get the 2021 since I had just upgraded. So this is the 2020 Smart Keyboard Folio. And you'll see that this fits just fine. This is the Moco Smart cover, and I picked this up on Amazon. I believe I paid about $15 for it. And so I use my MacBook Pro. It's a 2016 MacBook Pro. I use that when I'm in school typing up papers and things like that. And so there's a lot of times when I like to have my iPad and use it just as a tablet. So I bought two cases. One, if I'm in a pinch and need to use the Smart Keyboard Folio. And the other one, this will probably be what I use most of the time when I'm not typing or or needing to use it when I'm on the go. But pretty good quality and very inexpensive. So here you see me running a benchmark test, and I did this using screen recording. So I thought to myself, this might impact the results that we get for the benchmark. And as you can see here, the single core score was 1666 and 6073 for the multi core score. Now you'll see in the next clip a comparison between when I ran it with and without, and also with the software update. So I'll kind of explain this as we go from here. So this was running 14.5, not screen recording when I ran this benchmark. And so you see that there was an improvement in the score, 1700 single and 7221 for multi-core. Again, this is the 8 gigabyte RAM version. And then here with the 14.5.1, we got 1715 for the single core and 7294 for the multi-core score. Just like the iPhone 12. I want to thank everyone for checking this video out. It's my first video for this channel, so look for more in the near future, especially as I get used to using my new iPad Pro 12.9. Guys, have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.